Well, good morning. It's 8 o'clock. It's pretty cold this morning. There's less fog today, so I'm sure it's going to be a beautiful day. But to be honest, right now, woo, Baltic. However, my bike, first run the summer bike, and it sounds wonderful. Craig Hardy, you've done a great job, sir. An absolute sterling job. Thank you very much. Well, it kind of threatens just to be a nice day or not. The fog's still there, just a little. Hopefully that will burn off. It's a glorious, crisp March morning. And as you can see, the sun shining behind me. So, continue on. I've got no idea how many miles I've done. No idea how long it's taken to get here. But it's good. It's good to be out. Enjoying a beautiful morning, fresh bicycle run. Well, it continues to be cold, continues to be foggy. It's not really burnt through yet. It's got to. It's just got to. Or I'm moving. It's beautiful. Now have a look at the sheep. Hello there. You alright? Oh, there's a wee lamb there as well, goodness. You okay? Yeah? Alright, no fuss. And so back home. Yeah, that's been a good run. It's been a wee bit chilly in the fog. It's never really lifted. I take it it's going to lift now. And just be a glorious mid-morning stroke afternoon. Anyway. Bit of breath. Oh, near me accident ahead, but I'm okay. Oh, they're all congregating in the park for sports relief. Run the mile. It's going to be a busy one there. Oh, guys in shorts who shouldn't be in shorts and all that sort of stuff. Anyway, right.